The new Manila International Airport will soon become one of the world's largest.
Have you heard about the massive new airport taking shape north of Manila? This isn't another terminal upgrade. It's an entirely new international gateway rising from reclaimed land in Bulacan. Bold, ambitious, and built to change the way people fly in and out of the Philippines. In this video, we'll explore a mega project that's not only reshaping the nation's transport system, but is also becoming a powerful symbol of growth and opportunity. The new Manila International Airport is the centerpiece of a visionary 12,000-hectare aerotropolis, a futuristic city within a city, complete with homes, corporate districts, government hubs, industrial zones, and even its own seaport. This is a master plan built for tomorrow, and it's happening now. At the heart of this vision is a 2,500-hectare, $15 billion airport featuring 4 parallel runways, a world-class terminal, and direct links to roads and railways. Think LAX, JFK, or Changi level modern, but designed for the Philippines. Why does that matter? Anyone who's flown in or out of Manila lately knows how overwhelming the current system can be. Ninoy Aquino International Airport was designed for 35 million passengers, yet in 2024 it moved over 50 million, more than 40% above capacity. Long lines, delays, and crowded halls are the daily reality. The solution calls for something beyond quick fixes. The Philippines needs a primary gateway built for the future, and Bulacan is stepping into that role. This airport answers today's demand while preparing for decades of growth ahead. It's expected to drive post-pandemic recovery by fueling tourism, expanding trade, creating jobs, and boosting investor confidence. Picture an airport where every step works smoothly. Smart terminals with intuitive layouts, advanced air traffic management, high-speed rail links to Metro Manila, direct expressways to cut travel time, no endless taxi hunts or hours lost in queues, only smooth, efficient journeys rivaling the world's finest airports. In this video, we'll take you inside this incredible project, its design, its scale, and the vision driving it. You'll see how it's redefining more than air travel. It's shaping the future of Philippine infrastructure. Buckle up, because we're about to explore what could be the country's most significant modern construction project. The Philippines is building what may soon be Southeast Asia's largest airport. The new Manila International Airport is aiming higher than ever, setting a new standard. With a design capacity of 100 million passengers annually and potential expansion to 200 million, it's on track to become one of the biggest and busiest aviation hubs worldwide. And with 240 aircraft movements per hour, this hub is engineered for heavy global traffic, competing with the world's elite. The numbers are staggering. 4 parallel runways, a massive 350,000 square meter terminal, and integrated expressways and railway links for seamless access. Inside, every essential is covered: check-in halls, departure and arrival areas, immigration and security, lounges, retail shops, and advanced baggage systems. But size is only part of the story. The real focus is efficiency, innovation, and traveler comfort, powered by cutting-edge technology at every step. Let's compare. Singapore's Changi serves 90 million passengers with 4 terminals, and a 5th on the way to push it toward 140 million by the mid-2030s. Beijing. Daxing will hit 72 million by 2025, expandable to 100 million. Dubai International manages up to 115 million across multiple terminals and concourses. Now picture a Philippine airport built to match or even exceed those benchmarks. That's what's happening in Bulacan. The new Manila Airport brings more than scale. It's modern, green, and intelligent. Runways are placed over water to reduce noise for nearby communities. The terminal is built to handle next-generation, fuel-efficient aircraft. Sustainability is part of its DNA, aligned with global green standards. Beyond its technical marvels, this project is an economic engine. It will turn Manila into a regional aviation hub, attract international businesses, boost tourism, and create tens of thousands of jobs. This airport is not simply about flights. It's about redefining the Philippines' place in global aviation and infrastructure. Wondering what the future of Southeast Asian air travel looks like? Here it is, just 22 miles north of Manila. Something extraordinary is rising. Spanning 2,500 hectares, the new Manila International Airport is more than construction. It's a future-ready hub built to transform Philippine aviation. It's designed in smart, scalable phases. The first phase will accommodate 35 million passengers annually, relieving Metro Manila's overcrowded skies. And that's only the start. Once complete, the airport will handle up to 100 million passengers a year. A game changer for the region. The timing is critical. Air traffic around Manila has reached its breaking point. Congestion is severe, infrastructure is strained, and demand for reliable travel keeps climbing, not only in the capital but across central Luzon, Calabarzon, and beyond. The first phase is where excellence takes off. 2 full-length runways capable of handling wide-body aircraft with simultaneous operations. A cutting-edge terminal focused on comfort, speed, and efficiency. Top-tier passenger services with smooth check-in, baggage handling, and world-class amenities. Beyond the terminal, the project expands into airfield systems, airline support facilities, ground operations, access roads, utilities, parking, and an integrated airport city. This commercial and logistics hub will spark new jobs, opportunities, and economic momentum. This isn't simply Manila's new airport. It's built to serve an entire region, giving millions of travelers faster, safer, and more convenient access to the skies. Whether you're traveling for business or heading off on vacation, this new hub is designed with your journey at the center. Safe, reliable, and built for the future. Picture yourself stepping off a flight into a sleek, modern terminal, catching a high-speed rail, and gliding straight into the heart of Manila or beyond. No stress, no traffic gridlock. That's the seamless experience the new Manila International Airport, NMIA, is set to deliver. This is far more than building an airport. It's about building a connected Philippines. Through an integrated network of expressways, highways, and railway links, NMIA will tie Metro Manila to provinces across Luzon, giving travelers a smooth, effortless transition from runway to roadway. And the impact stretches far beyond transportation. When fully operational, this massive project is expected to generate over 1 million jobs, both within the airport and across industries like tourism, logistics, retail, and real estate. It's a major win for Bulacan, where the airport is located, and a boost for nearby provinces and the entire national economy. NMIA is poised to turn the region into a magnet for investment, tourism, and global business, elevating the Philippines' profile as a world-class destination and serious aviation contender. The new Manila International Airport is more than terminals and tarmac. It's a symbol of forward momentum. With cutting-edge facilities, streamlined operations, and the ability to handle up to 100 million passengers annually, NMIA is built to fuel decades of growth. It will ease the burden on overcrowded airports, attract more international routes, and make travel easier for Filipinos and visitors alike. And there's more. This isn't only a game changer for travelers, it's a breakthrough for commerce. NMIA is designed to dramatically boost cargo capacity, moving goods faster, more efficiently, and at lower costs. Freight operators will gain access to new global trade lanes, quicker shipping times, and an expanded reach. That translates into faster deliveries, stronger supply chains, and better service for local businesses and international partners. NMIA is more than an airport. It's a launchpad for the Philippines' future. Better connectivity, more jobs, stronger trade, smarter travel. This is the future taking flight. And while air infrastructure is undergoing a massive upgrade, another revolution is happening behind the scenes. The country's logistics sector is booming. With e-commerce, manufacturing, and global trade on the rise, these fast-paced industries rely heavily on scalable, dependable logistics. And the pressure on air freight has never been greater. As cargo volumes grow, logistics providers are challenged to move bigger shipments and manage more complex supply chains without delays. NMIA is the answer. By delivering a sustainable, long-term fix for air congestion, this airport unlocks new growth potential. It promises safe, on-time, and highly efficient air transport, essential for businesses that depend on speed and reliability. With NMIA on the horizon, the Philippines is ready to compete directly with leading regional players like Singapore, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand. These nations have long been logistics hubs, and now the Philippines is building the infrastructure to join their ranks. And the Philippines isn't alone. Across Southeast Asia, a wave of mega airport projects is redrawing the global aviation map. Take Thailand's Utapao Eastern Aviation City. This $9 billion development ranks among the country's largest infrastructure projects. Built around the historic Utapao Airport, it's set to become a new international hub with a brand new terminal serving both budget and premium carriers. It will also include a free trade zone, a flight academy, and an MRO, Maintenance, Repair and Overhaul, Centre, positioning Thailand as a force in regional logistics. Cambodia is stepping up as well, with the nearly finished Techo International Airport expected to open by September. Located just outside Phnom Penh, this greenfield project spans 2,600 hectares, making it one of the largest airports on Earth by land area. It's more than an airport, it's Cambodia signaling its bold ambition to expand global connectivity and trade. So, what does all this mean for the Philippines? With the new Manila International Airport, the country is leveling up. It's stepping into Asia's fast-moving race to become a top-tier hub for air travel and logistics. By tackling long-standing infrastructure challenges and embracing world-class standards, the Philippines is now positioned to draw more airlines, expand trade, and power long-term economic growth. This goes far beyond planes and runways. It's about unlocking the future of how people and goods move across Asia and beyond. Picture an airport that isn't only a travel hub, but the centerpiece of an entirely new city. That's exactly what's rising around the new Manila International Airport. Alongside its runways and terminals, developers are creating residential and commercial districts, turning the surrounding area into one of the region's most sought-after business and real estate zones. The development is rolling out in 3 major phases. Phase 1, with a $1.5 billion investment, is on track to go fully operational by 2025, initially serving about 13 million passengers per year. By 2030, Phase 2 will elevate capacity to 30 million passengers annually, a massive leap in only 5 years. And the Philippines isn't the only nation making bold strides in aviation. About 25 miles east of Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam is building one of its most ambitious infrastructure projects ever. Long Thanh International Airport in Dong Nai Province. The first construction stage, valued at $7.8 billion, is already underway and scheduled for completion by 2026. When finished, the airport will handle 25 million passengers annually and 1.2 million tons of cargo. And that's just the beginning. The full build-out is even bigger, with plans for 4 mirror-image terminals that will push passenger capacity beyond 100 million a year. The total price tag? Around $14.5 billion. Vietnam has already cleared and transferred 2,500 hectares for the initial phase, with the entire project covering about 5,000 hectares, making it one of Southeast Asia's largest airport undertakings. Construction on the terminal began in 2022, and once complete, Long Thanh is expected to rival the region's top international gateways, firmly placing Vietnam on the global aviation map. From the Philippines to Vietnam, the race is on to build the next generation of airports, modern, massive, and built for the future. These aren't only transportation projects. They're economic engines, urban magnets, and gateways to global opportunity. The new Manila International Airport stands among the most critical projects, positioning the Philippines alongside its neighbors, ushering in a new era of connectivity, commerce, and competitiveness. In April 2025, the airport hit a major milestone: the completion of its main 4,000-meter runway, a huge leap forward in one of the country's most ambitious infrastructure efforts. Next in line is the first passenger terminal, part of Phase 1, expected to wrap up by the end of 2025. If the schedule stays on course, commercial flights will launch in the first half of 2026, opening the skies to a new era of travel and trade. Now, step back for a moment. Aviation is more than airplanes. It's the only truly fast global transportation network we have. It connects people, cultures, and businesses across continents. It fuels economies, creates jobs, drives global trade, and breathes life into tourism. Tourism and air travel are inseparable. One drives the other. Tourism depends on air routes to bring travelers in, and airlines rely on tourism to fill seats. As global travel rebounds and expands, especially across Southeast Asia, aviation has become more essential than ever. Right now, Southeast Asia is one of the world's most visited regions, attracting millions of travelers for both business and leisure. That level of popularity puts enormous pressure on airports and the systems that keep them running. To meet the rising demand, countries across Southeast Asia are going big, building massive new airports, expanding existing hubs, and upgrading aviation networks from the ground up. The new Manila International Airport stands right at the heart of this regional transformation. It's preparing the Philippines for the future while helping define the future of global travel across Asia. Whether you're flying in for a vacation, heading to a crucial business meeting, or moving goods that keep the world connected, the impact will be clear. The next time you travel through Southeast Asia, you'll feel the change and witness how this new wave of aviation is reshaping the journey for everyone.